Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been seeing hot oil manicures all over social media, and of course I had to give one a try. A hot oil manicure is usually offered in fancy spas, but you can definitely DIY your own at home. This type of manicure is a fabulous winter treatment. It's ideal for those looking to improve brittle nails, dry skin, or calluses on their hands. It improves blood circulation in your hands and encourages your nails to grow. It's also a fabulous treat for the cuticles, which you know I'm all about the cuticle care. Before you begin, you're going to file and shape your nails to your liking. I'm trying to grow my nails back out, so I opted for a rounded look. And now the fun begins. Grab a small microwave-safe bowl and add the oil or the blend of oils of your choice. You can use a coconut oil, vitamin E oil, avocado, or olive, whatever you prefer. I'm using olive oil today because that's what I have on hand. Pop it into the microwave until it's warm. Then take it out and place your fingertips in the bowl and let them soak. This is such a simple treatment, but it feels so luxurious. You can pop your hands into a manicure glove or wrap them in a warm towel if you'd like, but I found it was just easier to leave them in the bowl. I moved my fingers around a little bit and peeked at my nails here and there, but I pretty much left them in the oil until it cooled down. As it began cooling off, I started to massage the oil into my nail beds, fingers, and all over my hands in a circular motion. This helps to promote a healthy blood flow. I can already see and feel the benefits. My hands and nails feel amazing. After about 20 minutes, I rinsed my hands and patted them dry with a towel. With a wood stick, I'm pushing back my cuticles and removing any dead or overgrown skin on the nails. If there are any frayed cuticles or hangnails, feel free to quickly nip them with a clipper. When you're done, wipe away any dead skin with a cotton round or a towel and try to leave your nails bare for a day or two to allow them to breathe and really soak up those oils. You can really see how much better my nails look after a hot oil manicure, and I can certainly feel the difference. For beautiful, hydrated nails, use a cuticle oil regularly and then enjoy this treatment maybe once a week. Doing it at night is best, preferably before bed so that your nails aren't exposed to water and they won't be touching anything, which would result in a transfer of the oil. I cannot explain how soft my hands feel and how great my nails and cuticles look. This is definitely something that I'm going to be doing more regularly. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and leave me a comment below letting me know if you've ever received a hot oil manicure before and what you thought about it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.